Did you know that stress helps us survive? So how is it that something that helps us thrive also makes us sick? Different people might experience the same stressful situations, but some of them fall sick and others don't. And my research tries to understand what is the difference between those who fall sick and those who don't. When we face something challenging, our body mounts a biological stress response. This is associated with the increased activation of cortisol, and alpha amylase are two stress biomarkers that I study. When stress is persistent or seemingly never-ending, that's when things start to go wrong. The stress systems get exhausted and don't have the energy to help us keep fighting. The most exciting part of my work is trying to understand how the mind and the body are connected and interact with each other. I've always been fascinated by what happens when things are not really working the way they're supposed to, and especially factors like stress, which can have such profound effects on the mind and the body. As a clinical psychologist, I work with people to help them navigate challenges in their daily life. And this work not only helps me understand the profound ways in which stress can impact people's daily lives, but also the importance of studying the mind-body relationship in health and well-being. I love every aspect of my research routine because every day looks a little bit different. I study stress at different levels. So in the lab, I induce stress in our participants to understand how the biological and psychological aspects of stress interact. My team and I collect data for ongoing research studies. We also collect lots of biological samples to analyze them for stress markers, cortisol and amylase from saliva. I analyze data and I write up my research findings to be able to present them to the scientific community. One of my most favorite things about my job is I get to spend time brainstorming ideas with so many smart colleagues and collaborators. I came to Vienna from Canada, and specifically to the University of Vienna, to be on the frontier of cutting-edge research in stress and its biomarkers. Here, I work in an interdisciplinary team of researchers where we all investigate the same questions from different aspects. Together, we study how stress can affect information processing, formation of social relationships, as well as bodily functions like fertility. We also look at how interventions like music and stress management can help people live better lives.